I'm Poonali, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics and SMS College of Technology. So previous video we have seen how to find eigenvalue and eigenvector with non-symmetric matrix. In that, eigenvalues that are not repeated. So here we are going to find eigenvalue and eigenvector for repeated eigenvalue. So for the first step we are going to find our eigenvalue. So for that we are going to find S1, which is sum of main diagonal. So what are the main diagonals here? 8, 7 and 3. So I am going to add this 3 numbers. So you will get 18 as a S1. So S2, this is nothing but sum of the minor of main diagonal element. So here you just take 8 and add this for row and column and take remaining terms, which is 7 minus 4 minus 4 3 determinant. So then you have to take 7, then hide that row and column. So you will get determinant of 8 to 2 3 plus next you have to hide the last main diagonal element, which is 3. So you have to hide that 3's row and column. So you will get 8 minus 6 minus 6 7 as in a determinant form. So which is equal to, we have to multiply this two term. You will get 7 into 3 21 minus 4 into minus 4 will be 16 plus 8 into 3 value will be 24 minus 2 into 2 will be 4 plus 8 into 7 56 minus 6 into minus 6 will be 36, which is equal to 21 minus 16 is 5 plus 24 minus 14 will be 20 plus 56 minus 36 will be 20. So you will get 45 as a S2 value. Then you are going to find S3, which is determinant of given matrix. Just I am taking it as A. So determinant of A matrix, 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. So now I am going to take the first row, first element, which is 8. I am going to hide 8's first row and column. So I will get 8 into determinant of 7 4 minus 4 3 minus already here it is negative 6, so negative into negative will be positive. Then determinant of, then we have to hide minus 6 row and column. So you will get determinant of minus 6 minus 4 2 3 then plus 2 into. So then I am taking this element and hiding 2's row and column. Then you will get minus 6 7 2 minus 4. So 8 into, then you have to multiply this. So this is 7 into 3 will be 21 minus 4 into minus 4 will be 16 plus 6 into minus 6 into 3 will be minus 18 minus 2 into minus 4 will be minus 8 minus into minus will be 8 plus 2 into negative 6 into negative 4 which is equal to 24 minus 2 into 7 14. So it should be equal to 8 into 5 plus 6 into minus 10 plus 2 into 10, which is equal to 40 minus 60 plus 20, which is equal to 0. Then if we are going to substitute S1, S2, S3 value in characteristic equation. So our characteristic equation will be lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus S3 is equal to 0 for 2 by 2 matrix. If it is a 2 by 2 matrix, our characteristic equation will be lambda square minus S1 lambda plus S2 is equal to 0. So here I am substituting S1, S2, S3 values. So lambda cube minus S1 value will be 80 lambda square plus S2 value will be 45 lambda. S3 value is 0. So I am computing it as is equal to 0. So now I am taking the common term, which is lambda taking outside. So I will get lambda into lambda square minus here 18 lambda plus 45, which is equal to 0. So I am going to equate these two terms with 0. So I will get lambda equal to 0, comma lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0. Then I am going to solve this quadratic equation. I am getting 45 as a constant. So I have to split 45 as a 15 minus 15 minus 3. I can split minus 15 into minus 3 will be 45. Minus 5 minus 3 will be minus 18. So here our lambda value is, first lambda value is 0, second lambda value is 15, and third lambda value is 3. So these are our eigenvalues. In next video we are going to see eigenvector.